we have crazy news. So I've been able to get the complaint, the lawsuit filed by Maegan Hall, the police officer who was fired for having relations with several different police officers in her department. And I'm going to go through the complaint, which is the lawsuit, 51-page document that details exactly what occurs. Okay, so the lawsuit essentially states that Maegan Hall was 24 years old when she applied to the police service in the city of Vergne, and she sought role models in her job who ended up exploiting her for their own gratification. And most importantly, the suit alleges that these police officers did so partly due to the fact that they were in senior positions and were able to then manipulate her, which is a very serious charge. Now, the first allegation based on the suit is against Sergeant Powell, who was alleged to have constantly pestered Maegan Hall, who was said to have not wanted to do anything of a adult nature with a police officer, but eventually gave in to his demands when he told her to meet up at a car park for some jiu-jitsu training. When Miss Hall met him there, apparently, she was inside the truck with Sergeant Powell, and things progressed further into some adult interaction. Let's just put it at that for the YouTube algorithm. And if you think that's the worst of the story, nope, you're wrong. It gets worse. Apparently, these type of interactions continued to the point that Maegan Hall was secretly recorded in such an interaction by Sergeant Powell, and he sent those recordings to other staff in the police department, as alleged by the lawsuit. Additionally, she stated that she was invited to a party with several police officers and had an interaction with a police officer there, and was also taken to a hot tub and had vodka poured down her throat by one of the officers. And some other interactions took place in full view of other officers inside the hot tub. So this sounds like the kind of police station which some rowdy teenagers would love to join, but that is an aside. Anyway, so the specific causes of action, and a cause of action in law means the basis of the lawsuit that allows you to recover money or an injunction or anything of that sort, allows you prayer for relief, as it's called. The causes of action specifically are count 1, sexual harassment in violation of the right to equal protection guaranteed by the 14th Amendment to the U.S. Constitution. Another cause of action is creation of a hostile work environment where sexual harassment took place. She also alleges a violation, quote unquote, violation to the right to bodily integrity guaranteed by the Due Process Clause. Now you can imagine what violation to the right of bodily integrity means. And she further alleges that there was a violation of the Violence Against Women Act. Okay, so it's clear that in addition to other causes of action, this appears to be a very serious lawsuit, and if the charges are proven, she could come away with a substantial financial award. So if you like the video, make sure to like it, comment, and subscribe.